Hi, today I'm reviewing the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne AM treatment. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com. Check out my Patreon community or click on the link below. Okay, this Beanie Baby is for Christine. Isn't he cute? He's got one white ear and one black ear. Kind of reminds me of Gipper, my dad's Yorkie. He's got one ear that's down and one ear that's up. He was a rescue, so who knows what happened to that ear. I always joke that he's like 400 years old. You know what? I'm right here. There we go. I think Ike was playing with the Beanie Babies because when I came in today, there's two that were on the floor. But thankfully, they were all intact and not destroyed, so you never know. Okay, so Neutrogena recently released this as well as, God, they've been releasing a lot of new products lately. It's out of control. They're new cleansers I wasn't a big fan of. I tried a few of them, but anyway, so these are new. So today I'll be reviewing the AM treatment. Tomorrow I'll be doing the PM treatment. So, okay, they say, help eliminate acne breakouts and redness with Neutrogena Stubborn Acne AM treatment from the #1 dermatologist recommended acne brand. Which any brand can say because that's marketing. It really doesn't mean anything, but this daytime acne treatment reduces the size and redness of stubborn acne and post-acne marks in just a few hours. Clinically proven acne treatment is inspired by a dermatologist-recommended regimen for clear skin, which contains 2.5% micronized benzoyl peroxide to help penetrate deep into pores. When used with the PM treatment, 86% saw clearer skin in just 4 weeks. So you better make sure to use them together, right? Then they should just sell them together. I disagree with that a little bit. But anyway, okay. So my first criteria is packaging, and they've done a nice job packaging this in a squeeze tube. No issues with that at all. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of that. And it is also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. Then we get to ease of use. So, in my opinion, this doesn't have to be something you solely use during the daytime. You can also use this at night. Benzoyl peroxide plays pretty friendly with other skincare ingredients and other products. You can certainly use this in the daytime as well. They recommend applying this, cleanse the skin, and then apply this. Cover the entire affected area with a thin layer 1 to 2 times daily. I do not recommend applying this to your entire face, although they do recommend to use it on your full face. They say use on your full face and not just on breakouts. Personally, benzoyl peroxide can be drying, so sometimes it's better just to apply it to affected areas instead of your entire face. Although if you have a lot of issues with acne, then perhaps applying it to your entire face might be the way to go. Because excessive drying of the skin may occur, start with 1 application daily, then gradually increase to 2 or 3 times daily if needed. I personally don't recommend applying this more than twice a day. I think 3 times a day will cause even more drying. But if bothersome dryness or peeling occurs, reduce application to once a day or every other day. So they're kind of saying, you know what, it's probably going to make your skin very dry. Use it a lot, but then don't use it a lot. Personally, I think using this once a day or maybe twice a day at most after your skin is acclimated to it is fine. I don't recommend necessarily applying it to your entire face because I think using this on affected areas is smart, and then using niacinamide serum over the rest of your face will also help, and then using a good exfoliant at night or a good retinol will help as well. So, can cause flaking using this more than 1 time a day. It might be overdoing it. So, your mileage may vary based on your skin. So, otherwise, very easy to use, though. The texture of this is nice. It seems to play well with other products. Some benzoyl peroxide treatments can be really thick and cumbersome. This one absorbs really nicely, and it doesn't leave any noticeable fact that you've applied it to your skin. Some of them can be really thick. Some of them can really cause a lot of flaking, and this one did not. So, then we get to antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So obviously we've got 2.5% micronized benzoyl peroxide, which means that it absorbs the skin a little bit better. The fact that it's micronized allows it to penetrate the skin a bit deeper than traditional forms. Some say the micronized is less drying to the skin, and because of this, you will probably be able to get away with a lower concentration of it, which is also nice. Other than that, the ingredient list is pretty short. There's really nothing else of note. In my opinion, it would have been nice for them to add some other anti-acne ingredients, such as Centella asiatica, or maybe a little bit of niacinamide. Might have made this a little bit more exciting. And if it had more exciting ingredients other than just the benzoyl peroxide, then I would probably say, yeah, apply it to your entire face, because the whole thing is going to help prevent acne, but that's not really where they went with this. In my opinion, this is a spot treatment. So, okay. In terms of animal testing, Neutrogena is unfortunately not cruelty-free. I can't believe in next year's going to be 2021 and we're not cruelty-free yet, but... okay, so in terms of performance, so I found it can cause a bit of flakiness, so be cautious when you apply this the first few times. How you apply it, how much you apply it, and if you follow with a nice hydrating serum or moisturizer, that will also reduce the likelihood that you will have flakiness. It also just depends on how sensitive your skin is and if you have naturally dry skin or oily skin. It certainly does help breakouts shrink and heal faster, which is really nice. Not better than other benzoyl peroxide treatments. Paula's Choice Clear has some great ones. They've got, I think, a 2% and then a 5%, which is a really nice option as well. It didn't really perform any better than that, but it does help. And then, in terms of acnegenic ingredients, this does contain laureth-4, which is a highly comedogenic ingredient. Very strange, but anyway. So that's what they went with. In terms of the price, so this is really affordable. This is a full size, which is 2 ounces and retails for about $14. So it's very affordable. And if you use this as a spot treatment, this will last you forever until it expires. When does this expire? 2022. If I use this as a spot treatment, this tube would probably last me like 5 years. And then it wouldn't be good anymore. But anyway. And then we get to the it factor. And I do like this. It's decent, affordable, basic, no frills, blemish treatment, no alcohol, no fragrance. Does help with breakouts. It can make your skin feel a little bit dry, so if you use it with a moisturizer or serum over it, that's a good thing. I wish they'd included a few other ingredients, but that's not for me to decide. Yeah, so I like the fact that they included the micronized benzoyl peroxide, which does seem to appear to penetrate deeper and be a little bit more effective. So overall, it's a bargain and it will last forever. So with a 10 being a perfect score, this got an 8, which is pretty darn good. So I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this, and if you have what your thoughts are, or if you have a favorite spot treatment, what is it, and what do you love about it? So I know a lot of people will be appreciative of it. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you later.